Hello friends, welcome back. Today we will be learning digit sum method. So what do you mean by digit sum method? Without doing any multiplication or addition of numbers, we will verify the answer. So first we will see the examples. Here I have taken 3241 multiplied by 1358. So in this case, without doing any multiplication, we will verify the answer, whether this answer is correct or not. So in this, what we have to do is, you have to count the numbers. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So digit sum, this all digit sum is 10. So again 2 digits are there, then 1 plus 0 is 1. So first number digit sum become 1. Second number is 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 8 is 17. Again this 2 digit number is there. You have to make it as 1 digit number. 1 plus 7 is 8. So first number digit sum came 1. Second digit sum is 8. So you have to multiply this number. So 1 into 8 is 8 you have to get. So digit sum of the result should be 8. So then we'll count these numbers. 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 0 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 7 is 18, 18 plus 8 is 26. Again it 2 digits, so 2 plus 6 is 8. So first number digit sum is 1, second number digit sum is 8. So 1 into 8 is 8 it came. So result sum also 26 it came. 2 plus 6 is 8. So result digit sum is 8 and these numbers multiplication also 8. So this answer is correct. So without multiplying these numbers, we will get the answer very fast. Now one more example. 999816 multiplied by 727235. So without doing any multiplication, we'll verify the answer. So what you have to do is, you sum all these digits. So 9 plus 9 plus 9 is 27, 27 plus 8 is 35, 35 plus 1 is 36, 36 plus 6 is 42. So 42 plus 4 plus 2 is 6. So this first number digit sum is 6. The second number is 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, 16 plus 2 is 18, 18 plus 3 is 21, 21 plus 5 is 26, 2 plus 6 is 8. What we have to do is multiply. 6 into 8, 6 into 8 is 48. Okay, multiplication you have to do. So 6 into 8 is 48, 4 plus 8 is 12. So 12 and the digit sum is 1 plus 2 is 3. So result should be 3. Result digit sum should be 3. Then we'll count these numbers. 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, 16 plus 1 is 17, 17 plus 0 is 17, 17 plus 1 is 18, 19, 19, 27, 27 plus 35, 35, 42, 47. So 47 it came. So 4 plus 7 is 11, 11 plus 1 plus 1 is 2. So here result digit sum became 2, and whatever the numbers we have taken, that digit sum is 3. So it is not matching. So answer is wrong. So in this case, digit sum become equal. Here digit sum became different. So this result is wrong. So like this, without doing any multiplication of numbers, we will verify the answer. This most of the time we will use in the competitive exams. Now I will show you another method. Without doing sum of these digits, we will simply cancel the sum of the 9. So step is cancel 9. Wherever you have seen 9, you just simply cut the numbers. So 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. So this will go. So digit sum is 1. Okay. Then here also 1 plus 8 is 9, it will go. So 3 plus 5 is 8. So without doing digit sum, you simply cancel the sum of the numbers. If it comes 9, you just cancel the numbers. I have cancelled 4 plus 2 plus 3. This will become 9. So this I got simply. Here also I cut the digit sum as 9. So whatever the number remaining, here 1 it remained, and here 3 plus 5 is 8 remained. Simply 1 into 8, it should become 8. Result should be 8. Okay, here also you see 4 plus 4 is 8. 0 plus 1. So this will go 9. And 2 plus 7 is 8. So 2 plus 7 is 9. So this also you cut. Simply here you have got 8. Here we have got 8. Here also we have got 8. So this answer is correct. Next we will verify this result also we will verify. So I told you, whenever you see the 9, you just simply cut. Okay. So 1 plus 8 also 9. So this will become 6. 7 plus 2 also 9. 7 plus 2 also 9. 3 plus 8 is 3 plus 5 is 8. So multiplication 6 into 8 is 48. Okay. 4 plus 2 is 12. So 12 plus 1 is 3. So this result is 3. Again we have to check this result. So 7 plus 2 is 9. 7 plus 1 plus 1 is 9. Then 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. 2 plus 0 is 2. So the result digit sum is 2 and this number sum is 3. So this answer is wrong. So this is the way to, without doing sum of the digits, we will get the answer fast. Next we will see sum. Simple numbers I am taking. Just now we have seen multiplication of numbers. Now I am showing sum of the two numbers. So without doing sum, so I have taken small numbers only. You can take big numbers also. 1, 2, 5, 1, 3, 130. So without doing the addition, we will verify the sum of the digits. Okay. This result should be 255. Okay. Simply without doing this addition, we will verify these numbers. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. This became 8. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. So what we have to do is sum we have to do. 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay. Again 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay. So this digit sum became 3, but results also we have to check. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So result digit sum is 3 and number sum also 3. So this answer is correct. So like this, without doing multiplication or addition or subtraction, we will do digit sum method. So by this method we can save the time. I hope you like this video. These are just signing off until we meet again. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to RJ Catalyst channel. Thank you.